What's up, guys? I'm Random Frank P, back with episode 3 of not Room Tour Project, damn it. Switch It Up. Episode 3 of Switch It Up, the series where we show off custom keyboards. That's what it is. All right, so it's been over a month since we've done one of these, and I've had a lot of people, not daily, but constantly hitting me up on Twitter, comment sections and other videos, email, asking when this is gonna be back. So happy to see that there's a large amount of you really interested in custom keyboards. So as we usually do, we'll run through it, show off the details of it, and do a sound test. But let's kick it off, episode 3. First up, we have Elmo with the Graystudio HB85. This board's actually an homage to the Sony Hitbit MSX computers from the 80s, and visually, it is on point. Inside, he has an aluminum plate, and the switches of choice are the Zilent V2 78-gram variant. He said there's no extra lube on these because from the factory they come very smooth as it is. For stabilizers, he has a ZealPC clear screw-ins, and tying it all together is his keycap set. DSA Granite, a nice color combo of the white and gray, and also kind of matching with that coiled cable. Visually, this is a great looking board. Now we'll do a sound test of those Zilent V2s. So great stuff from Elmo with the custom Graystudio HB85, and again, just to, humor yourself, look up the Sony Hitbit MSX computers and you'll see how he matched this to a T, and it looks fantastic. The next board to show off is from Julian. This is the KBDfans HHKB Tofu keyboard, but it's Cerakoted to give it that dark, tactile gray finish. Now this keyboard has an integrated aluminum plate as it is, but what he did to customize it a bit was fill the inside with sorbethane. That's going to help reduce the echo and some of the pinging sounds when you're typing. Speaking of which, he has Gateron black ink switches, lubed with Krytox 205 grade 0. And then tying the gray and orange theme together, his keycap set is GMK Skiidata with his Artisan, the GSK Dusty Avari. So let's check out those lubed Gateron inks. You got that quiet, soothing linear switches here, and all together for a dark gray and orange keyboard, a color combo you don't see too often. It's pulled off very nicely, highlighted also by the custom orange coil braided cable. Good stuff. Now we've got Thinkkwer, and yes, he was on episode 2, but his boards are so awesome that whenever I see him, I want to show him off again. And check out his Instagram at Thinkkwer because he has some other awesome keyboard photos. But anyway, this board here is the J01. It's a very unique design and layout with the 8 function keys on the left side, kind of looking like macros on something you would see with gaming keyboards. And it's an ISO board. The plate inside is carbon fiber, and for switches, bit of a Frankenstein switch here. He has Zeal bottoms, SPRIT 63.5 gram gold plated springs that are lubed with Krytox 106, a vintage black stem, integrated switch film, and a cherry top housing that is all lubed with Krytox 205 grade 0. Stabilizers are GMK Screw-In with the same lube, and the keycaps are GMK White-on-Black. But let's hear these crazy switches. So that was a hell of a sound test. Again, Frankenstein switch to the max. Really enjoying a custom switch like this, something that I want to look into more. Hope you guys dig it as well. But yeah, this J01 board from Thinkkwer is extremely nice, and that classy black and gold look is very unique. This next board comes from TakeHe. I'm sure you guys have seen his YouTube channel at TakeKeyboards, not to be confused with TakeHe Types. This is TakeHe. And this one here is the Singa V3 in this velvet color, looking very fine. The plate inside is aluminum at 1.5 millimeters, and the switches he has are something that is new to me. I know they're pretty new as well, but these are Gateron ink yellows. They have a 3.4 millimeter travel distance, and they are still linear switches. Then as for keycaps to tie in that whole velvet color theme together, GMK Hamon. And now, the ASMR. So the Singa is a fine looking board, loving that logo on the back, and this velvet color just really pops and stands out. Great color combo. And if you want to check out the build video of this very board, you can go to the TaeKeyboards YouTube channel and check it out. And then last but absolutely not least, we have Alex Sotos. This is also from his Instagram. This is the Rama M60A in the lake blue. And damn, this is crazy nice. You can see that blue from a mile away, really pops. So inside the Rama M60A is the integrated plate, which is the aluminum unibody at 5 millimeters thick. And for his switches, we have the Telios V2, lubed with Krytox 205 grade 0, also filmed. But on the spacebar, he has a Sakurio switch, lubed with Tribosis 3204. The blue and yellow keycap set, they are GMK Nautilus. And for some of the Artisans, we have the Proto Key Lab, that's the Hawk one you might have seen. The BOB Artisans are the different colored Gengar. We got Prime Caps and the Wild Story keycaps. But now the Telios V2 sound test. Whew! This Rama board is mighty fine, loving that lake blue color, just pops so much. We got that polished brass weight on the backside and the bottom, and I'm really digging that resin wrist rest, and the coiled cable, but altogether, this is it, Chief. Alright guys, that'll wrap it up for episode 3 of Switch It Up. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget, I will have the info and stuff down below in case you want to check out the real detailed stuff about those keyboards. If you like this episode, give it a big thumbs up to show your support. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.